is in your mind, you know, and your heart is making the decision for you. So the song is called Heart in My